On the top left, we have our division problem, and we're going to solve this using synthetic division, and we're going to provide it in the answer form on the top right-hand corner. So let's get started. So since we are solving synthetically, our dividend needs to be, the terms need to be in order. And what I mean by this is this. If you look at the dividend, we have n cubed, and then after that, we jump straight into a constant. But if you guys didn't know, synthetic division depends on the terms being in order. So what I mean is we are missing n squared and we're missing n. So in order to solve this, it's very easy. What we're going to do is provide a placeholder. The only purpose of these placeholders is so that we can solve synthetically. So let's put them in. So we have n cubed, and then